Hello, Namaste, welcome to Tiny Times Doctor's Corner. Myself, Dr. Bharti Mahanti, and now today we are going to another new episode, that is how to boost our immunity naturally. Yes, how to boost our immunity naturally? Well, this is very frequently running question in your minds these days. Your diet, your lifestyle, and habits are pillars of the immune mechanism to fight against the disease causing organisms according to Ayurveda. So, some essential tips to boost your immunity naturally. Number one, staying hydrated. Yes, staying hydrated is very important as we discussed in our earlier videos, especially in this pandemic situation. Keeping yourself well hydrated maintains the moisture in your throat and mucous membrane, which acts as a barrier against the microbes. In Ayurveda, dehydration is called as Abdatukshaya, which leads to imbalance of salts, fluids, and minerals, in turn resulting in an unexpected behavior of the body. It is recommended to consume adequate amounts of warm water and fluid intake until urine turns into pale yellow in color to prevent from dehydration. Also, dehydration can lead to the indigestion, kidney and heart dysfunctions, which causes various complications and illness. So, it is highly recommended to take around 2 liters of water every day and take intake of more water while you are exposed to the hot climatic conditions and while you are going to perform intense exercises. And number two, proper diet. A well balanced diet has a crucial role in maintaining the immunity and fighting with the infections. Foods which are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, such as leafy greens, bright color fruits, and vegetables like broccoli, tomato, lemon, cauliflower, sweet potato, capsicum, oranges, papayas, guavas, kiwi seeds, nuts and legumes, etc., which boost your defense mechanism tremendously. And it is recommended to consume antioxidant rich food, which reduces the inflammation in the body and helps in eliminating the free radicals, which are caused due to numerous health conditions like cancers, heart disease, etc. Intake of fiber rich foods improves or maintains your gut microbe, boosts your immunity, and prevent infections in your digestive tract. So, Ayurveda recommends regular detoxification through Panchkarma cleanse and fasting to boost your immunity. Number 3, intake of immune strengthening herbs. Make a habit to start a day with a herbal tea made up of tulasi, ginger, and long pepper. Take at least 15 ml of amla juice every day in the morning. Use black pepper and turmeric powder in your meal preparations every day. Number 4, proper sleep. Your body is engaged with many biological processes like storing information in the brain, regulating the hormones and proteins, repairing the damaged cells, and restoring the energy, etc. while you are in a sleep. The nerve cells across the body communicate and regulate while you are in a sleep to kickstart your day with a healthy functioning system. Getting adequate sleep for at least 6 to 8 hours is crucial to boost your natural immunity. As per Ayurveda, the Vata dosha aggravates rapidly due to staying awake at night, which leads to the depletion of immunity caused due to the weakening of body tissues, and also lack of sleep causes inflammation of your body, which is due to building up of stress hormones. It is better to stick to a regular bedtime schedule and use a sleep mask or sleep in a complete darkness to increase your sleep quality. Number 5, manage your stress levels. Manovyata or mental stress disorder, which impacts on your immune cell functions to a greater extent and causes inflammation. You need to make time to relieving the stress which is caused due to your busy tight packed schedules and lift up your lowered immune levels. So make sure to dedicate some time to yourself daily by involving in the stress management activities. Meditation, yoga, exercise, spending some time with your dear ones, traveling, music, reading books, or developing a hobby that which you are having interest. Number 6, exercise regularly. Exercising regularly not only keeps you fit but also comes with many benefits such as boosting your immunity, and it enhances the sleep quality and controls your stress levels. It is recommended to involve moderate exercising such as cycling, brisk walking, yoga, swimming, playing, jogging, etc. for at least half an hour daily to power up your vitality. Number 7, moderate your alcohol intake and stop smoking. Excessive intake of alcohol is directly linked with the hampering of the vascular, liver, and mental systems in your body. Alcohol consumption also weakens the defense mechanism in your body, and it is directly increasing the risk of lung infections. Tobacco consumption from smoking damages your lungs as well as your overall immune system and may result in a variety of chronic diseases, keeping yourself away from a passive smoking and secondhand smoking too. 8. Immunity supplements. When your diet is lack of proper or adequate nutrients, then you can opt for the supplements which keeps your immunity on a track. You can go for herbal supplements like Triphala, ginger, amla, etc., which keeps you deep nourishment with the essential vitamins like B, C, and D, helps in forming or building up the powerful immune system. Sago seeds, almonds, raisins, dried cranberries, watermelon, oranges, eggs, coconut water, buttermilk, black gram, which are available in our homes. Make sure to include them in your regular diet. Bottom line, what I am going to say is your immunity is responsible for the tolerance of your body and mind towards the environmental threat. Immunity boosting foods are most important these days. So, eat right, sleep well, and working out are the basics for achieving the strong immune system. So, choose your food wisely and understand which is suitable for your body and which is not. Make sure to practice healthy lifestyle and habits to achieve the maximum results. If you think the contents of the video are helpful, share to your near ones, subscribe for more videos. You can watch a new video on every Monday, Tiny Times Doctor's Corner. Thank you for watching.